Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Today we're here with Khago, Smooth Badness. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is I-Octane this. You know, I-Octane dropped 2 songs yesterday. So I've been up all night, all day waiting for Khago to drop the song. So now it's here. We're here to give our honest reaction. It's not a review, it's a reaction. We are reacting to it. We are different from reviewing, alright? So the war is on between I-Octane and Khago. Full steam ahead. So you guys leave it in the comment section and please be respectful of other people's opinion. Let me know who you think I lead and why. Alright? So let's jump to the one and hear with the let's go! Bang bang! Let's go!
Smooth badness. Smooth bang, bang, bang.
This is an old school rhythm again. This is an old school. So we see Khago upon the slanting rhythm, then I-Octane followed upon the slanting rhythm after. My question is, why, when it's not an old school classic rhythm, why them not share the rhythm? I was watching Khago live and I hear Khago say, yo, he did ask I-Octane to send across the rhythm where in the device pan and I-Octane never send it across. So it would be good if the 2 artists them clash from the same rhythm them. That would have been the authentic dancehall that we all know. So this is, I think this, which rhythm is this? Taxi? Which is Taxi rhythm? I think it's Taxi rhythm if I'm not wrong.
Smooth bang, bang, bang. Smooth badness. Bang, bang. Yo, them stepping on me war, but them no plan for them. Saturday night gunshot be efficient breath.
I know Taxi rhythm this. So somebody leave in the comment section which rhythm this. Cause this is a classic, but I can't remember the rhythm name. If I'm a Taxi rhythm, leave it, cause it sounds like the original Taxi rhythm.
Smooth badness.
Let's go. Next time.
Bang, bang. Yo, them stepping on me war, but them no plan for them. Saturday night gunshot be efficient breath.
So he must say, yo, them stepping on my badness, but them no plan for dead. So he must say, yo, I-Octane basically I say, yo, what, him not give up. But somebody have to dead, not a warrior. Somebody have to dead. We don't want to draw. You understand? We don't want a white flag put up. We want somebody have to dead. Somebody have to forward out victorious. That is what we're talking about.
But them no plan for them. Saturday night gunshot be efficient breath. Somebody mother ball wanna be.
Man say Saturday brunch, be a fish and bread, so you don't know. Funeral settings, and this right there. Saturday, yikes.
Be efficient breath. Somebody mother ball wanna be. I just body them a berry sorrow idiot. When them know about smooth badness. Chop your mouth and your clothes with a dull cutlet.
Bumbuckler, countryman badness. Chop you out and your clothes with a dull cutlass. Notice him said dull? Why him said dull? Why am I going to use a dull cutlass and chop you out of your clothes? Why? Because when you get cut with a dull tool, a dull knife or a dull cutlass, it take long for well. It take long for well. If you live. You understand? So that's why, in know the badness, brother, the man say you're going to chop you out of one dull cutlass. So if the machine dull and rusty, especially rusty, take long for well.
I just body them a berry sorrow idiot. When them know about smooth badness. Chop your mouth and your clothes with a dull cutlet. Have me gun for me waist and slap you with a stone in your face. A countryman badness me practice.
Man say, yo, not because I have my gun for my waist. I have to use that for damage you. First, I'm going to use a dull cutlass and chop you out of your clothes. Or, if you want to take a step further, you can slap you with a fat stone in your face. You can get a fat stone in your head side and make it bleed. And that's the thing there. So you know it's a country with a whole heap of stone put it and whole heap of obstacles for knock anybody out. That's what the man there. The man say, yo, I have my thing for my waist and I have to show you the angle. Because I not use that. I not pre-bad. Country badness with thing there.
Slap you with a stone in your face. A countryman badness me practice. Smooth badness. When them know about smooth badness. Martin me nah send no banger for them. Me just a send Francine up to check it crime scene and make a picture pull up.
Man say me nah send no banger for them. Just a send Francine for go check it crime scene. Dead.
Smooth badness. ratchet.
That is gruesome. That is one of them there. Let me tell you why. Anybody can take up a gun and shoot a man from afar. Anybody, even coward can do that. But you see, when a man brave enough to want to kill you up close and personal, that means say, yo, listen to me. Me a kill you, you gonna know see me a kill you, because I'm there close to you, me not hide and do it. Me a walk up to you with a ratchet and bust your throat. You know all that gruesome? You know how much of a heart it takes to do that shit? And a joke. That is not joke. So when a man say, yo, listen, I have my gun for me, but I'm never gonna use it. I'm gonna kill you with my ratchet. That even like, bro, just pre that, bro. Just pre that, man. Just pre that, brother. Don't take that song you like. Not because it's slow and Khago and chat easy and I'm going, don't take it light. It's not a light song. It's not a light song, brother. Khago is very calculated. He know what he's doing, bro. I'm telling you.
Pull up on him corner with a matic, but me want kill him close up, so me bust some white short with me ratchet. Close casket him in a jacket, and him daddy don't visit cause him know him a jacket.
Close casket him in a jacket. So him in a jacket and tight thing, like in a casket, but him daddy not visit cause him know say him a jacket. Play upon words, double and yo, Khago, yo, dog.
Casket him in a jacket, and him daddy don't visit cause him know him a jacket.
Yeah.
No for pick out fingernail with pliers. Turn on me Facebook and make the world see the crime and break it news prior.
Yo, the man a torture you. Actually, the man a say, yo, him a torture your brother. And Facebook, I go see. So once Facebook say, people are going to start sharing it other elsewhere. On WhatsApp, people are going to screen record it, send it on Snapchat, send it on Instagram. Everywhere to go there on TikTok. Come here, torture you for the world see. For the world see. Pick out your fingernail them one by one. Every hour, pick out a fingernail. Or every morning, pick out a fingernail. So your death are going to be very, very slow and punishable. Blood clot, big red. Big red. Yo!
I just turn on my Facebook and make the world see the crime and break it news prior. What them know about N-boy punching? Machete longer than a palm tree.
We know about N-boy palm tree. Machete longer than palm tree. And that's everything there, man. Country Badness, man.
Machete longer than a palm tree. Badness. Chop you out and you close with a dull cutlass. My summer now send a bang off it up. Just a send man and make girl want to take a picture. I tell you about smooth bodies. What you know about smooth bodies? Yeah. Why them with melody? World can't hear when you want to say why.
The man say, yo, the reason why me I do this, me I wire with melody now. Me I wire with melody. Me give you lyrics in about 3 songs already. Me give you now a melody me I give you. Me I kill it with melody because this too easy for me. That's what Khago say, not me. Khago say, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, this too easy for me, brother. Melody. Furthermore, your song them the world can't hear what you say, brother. The world can't hear because you don't have no melody. That is what Khago is saying to 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, not me. I'm just rephrasing what he's saying. So don't get twisted in the comment section. Yeah, listen.
What you know about smooth body? Yeah. Why them with melody? World can't hear when you want to say why. You know I'm not yeah. Them boys they not suicidal. Tell them from morning Osama me idol.
Them boys are not suicidal. I tell them from man, say Osama, which he did say in the first song. Big up Osama, Al-Qaeda Badness. Don't tell them say yo Osama, I'm an idol. Osama bin Laden, I'm idol. Suicidal thing. Even before that, he don't tell you from him where Sizzla say yo him suicidal, brother. The man said to Sizzla say him strap on a bomb pan for himself and run film car in a Dada Chevrolet. So the man they don't tell us say yo miss suicidal from there. So this is not new.
Why they not suicidal? Tell them from morning Osama me idol. Bang of them not stepping on a war feeling. But somebody have to cut down with me. I hope you have a close reality.
Woo!
Tell them from morning Osama me idol. Bang of them not stepping on a war feeling. But somebody have to cut down with me. I hope you have a close reality.
The man I say yo the way all me suicidal. Anyway, I'm stepping out, me not stepping out for live. Cause I just know say yo, if it come to the test, I'm very suicidal and I will use that detonator to blow up everybody. So just make sure say yo somebody I go down with him one time me go down. Cause me know me I go down. Cause I say me suicidal. Me not care. Me not afraid for dead. I go down. But make sure say you have a close relative.
But somebody have to get down with me. I hope you have a close relative. Which one of your brother if he kill boy dark up faster before me kill the whole of them?
Pick one. Acting, the man I say pick one. Which one of the brother them you want me to kill first? Acting, which one of your brother them you want Khago kill first? That's what the G say. Pick one before him kill everything. Don't take too long too. If it take too long, me just get fed up and just kill everybody else. Cause me can. That's what the G said, not me. Once again, I'm here to react. This is nice.
Somebody have to get down with me. I hope you have a close relative. Which one of your brother if he kill boy dark up faster before me kill the whole of them? And elephants in the past wherever take a picture with fuck face and dead too.
So any fans in the past who ever take a picture with fuck face and dead too. So anybody, any fans will feel like say yo them can come run up them mouth, yeah, so because wanna take a picture with Acting, uno are dead too. And uno can dead too. So back up, ease out. You see me? Yeah. Yo, Khago kill everything to blood that.
Fans in the past wherever take a picture with fuck face and dead too. Me call that smooth badness. And what you know about smooth badness? Chop you out of your clothes with a dull cutlass. Call that, yeah, very smooth badness. And what you know about smooth badness? You don't know about smooth badness. Countryman was smooth, yeah. Roll up on the corner with a hooky cutlass, some bang bang joint him up like sugar cane.
Who know the hooky cutlass them? No for uno, only know the straight cutlass them, you know. Who know the hooky cutlass them? The hooky cutlass them have the little thing, the little hook at the point. That the man I say he roll up on the corner with. I can't them use them cutlass to chop mainly. The man say, yo, me roll up on your corner and giant you up like Kane, brother. What you dealing?
With a hooky cutlass, some bang bang joint him up like sugar cane. Can't kill able, so no call out my name. A brother fighting brother, you know how I'm name.
Can't kill able, so no call out my name. Right now, a brother kill brother. You know what I mean? Yo, remember say they told them used to par. Remember say they told them par from nothing now going for none of them, you know. From bus and taxi days, them a par now. So, brother kill brother, the man I say.
Please some bang bang joint him up like sugar cane. Can't kill able, so no call out my name. A brother fighting brother, you know how I'm name. Smooth Badness, them call me Mr. Smooth Badness. Be a fucker you a talk boy. Yeah.
Be a fucker you a talking fed. Number one, which rhythm is this? I'm pretty sure it's not Taxi. I'm pretty sure it's not the original Taxi rhythm. So which rhythm is it? Melody murder. The man I go melody murder. Man I say yo melody. But I think this is a teaser for your second song we go forward from Khago. Better say him drop two songs. Better say him drop one straight after this. So yo, this bad. Bang bang bang. This bad. It's not what it's not what a lot of people is expecting in other warrior, but Khago show you how versatile me is. And we see Khago forward pan the slang thing rhythm and we see Acting do the same thing. So you don't know it's only right for Acting get a rhythm now and drop something on it and give it some melody. You see me? Yo, but Acting, you have to go answer, you know. You have to go answer and show Khago say yo, you're versatile too and you have melody too. You see me? Cause that why you not gonna talk about big on by you. Khago done says somebody have dead, brother. Khago done says somebody have dead already. So guys, stay tuned, cause as them drop me, I react to them. As you can see, this drop less than an hour. I'm there. This drop less than an hour upon DJ Chick. DJ Chick, I'm gonna big your pet in the dog. Big up yourself, Chicka. Big up yourself, bro. This drop 23 minutes ago. 23 minutes ago, I'm there. You see me? So, you know, so I'm not waste no time. Guys, this is how I'm going to leave the one here. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more. And remember, I'm keeping it honest over here. So, I'm not pick no side. I'm not bias out the thing. You see me? I'm not pick no side. I'm just talk it as it is. Just there for laugh and just react and just go with a bag of things over here. So, I'll see you guys in the next one for definitely. Be safe. Alright, peace.